What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be putting together a super easy and cute, fun Valentine's Day garland. Got this garland from Hobby Lobby. It is a 70-piece kit. I had one very similar for Halloween and it was very easy to do. So I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you how I'm going to put this together. My girls love to help with the balloons. I am going to have my little helpers here helping me. So I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking. We're just going to jump right into it. About to use this balloon strip that came with it. I'm just going to get all the balloons attached on here, and then I have these two balloons that I'm going to be using glue dot to stick these in there as well. The balloon garland all string together. To get it hung on the wall, I'm going to be using these 260 balloons just to tie it to the hooks. I have some hooks already on my wall from the last garland I had, and those are just like those 3M hooks. Put it on there for about 10 seconds and then tie on one of these, and I'm going to attach the balloon garland like that. I'm just gonna use these glue dots to add those 2 additional balloons that I have. So this is the finished product, you guys. Very happy with the turnout. Really cute for your Valentine's Day. Alright guys, so this is the finished product behind me. Very happy with the turnout. It was very easy to put together. Like I said, I got this kit from Hobby Lobby. I'm not a professional balloon stylist by any means. This is just a DIY option for you. But I am happy with the turnout. It's gonna be very cute for a little Valentine's Day party at home. That's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to please give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next one.